Today I will explain more two sums from chapters squares and square root, and these two sums will carry 3 marks each if it comes. Okay, so concentrate. Very important sum. Now question number 1, find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. Now first of all we need to draw one square. So as we know, square is a figure, is a quadrilateral whose all the sides are equal, isn't it? Now we have studied in our junior classes that area of a square is equals to what? Area of a square is equals to side square, isn't it? Side square. So we'll work on this particular formula. Now what is given in the question? Area is given. Fine. So we'll write it down. Area of square is equals to side square. So don't write this one. Okay, we'll okay. So area of square is equals to side square. Now what is the value of area of square given in the question? It is 441. So we'll write 441 and we'll compare with the formula, that is side square. Okay. Now what you have to find it out? You have to find it out the measure of each side of the square. Suppose if you know the measure of this side, then you would be knowing the measure of all the other side also, as based on the property of square, all the side of a square is equal. So if you are aware of one side, then you will know all the other side also. Now 441. Okay. Now you see 441 is equal to side square. Now you know that if you have to remove this square side, or you have to transpose this square to the left hand side, then this will turn out to a square root side, isn't it? Like this. So now if you find out the square root of 441, you will be knowing the measurement of each side of a square. So how to get it down? Now this you can get it down by prime factorization method also, by division method also. It is entirely your choice. So I will be going by division method because which is a little faster. Okay. Now this is, you can do it in the fair work also, or you can do it in the rough work also, but it will be shown. That is the important thing. Now how to do it? We will pair it from the right hand side. Okay, now 2 2s are 4. It will be cancelled. Now this 2 will come down together. Now what I have written here? 2. So I will add 4 and will give down dash. Now what is the last digit? What is the unit digit? 1. So what is the possibility? 1 1s are 1 and 9 9s are 81. So in both the cases the unit digit is 1. So let's try with the smallest number, that is 4. We'll put it 1 here. You know that whichever number I put it here, with the same number you have to multiply also, that is 1 1s are 1 and 4 1s are 4. Okay, so we'll put 1 here, then we'll put 1 here, and then you will write here. I always ask you people to maintain the sequence. First you will write here, then here, and at last you will write this number. Never write this first, because it happens that you tends to forget this. If most of the students forget to write the number here also and here also. Okay, in that case your marks will be deducted. So what is the answer? 21. So side is equals to 21. I guess it is, what is the unit? Meter. So it is meter. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 1. Okay, so let's move on to question number 2. Now in question number 2, in a right angle triangle, first we draw a right angle triangle. Now this is your right angle triangle. Okay, so in a right angle triangle ABC, B is equals to 90 degrees. So 90 degree will be placed on B. So it will be A, B, and this will be C. Now what is the measurement given? AB is equals to 6 centimeter. Now this is given 6 centimeter. BC is given what? 8 centimeter. And what you have to find it out? You have to find out AC. Now if you see the scenarios like this, you have to use one theorem. So you have to write using Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras Theorem. So what was Pythagoras Theorem? As we know that in right angle triangle, opposite to 90 degree, the side which is opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse. Okay, and the base would be, this is base, and the line which is on a vertical way, vertically standing, it is called perpendicular. So this is perpendicular, this is base, and the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Okay, so according to the Pythagoras theorem, we will say hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, so what we have to find it out? We have to find out h square, isn't it? H, not h square. What is b? B is given 8 square. P is 6, so we'll get a 6 square. So it is 64, 36, it will be 100. Okay, now we have to get the value of h, not h square. So we have to transpose this square to that side. So what will happen? So h square equals to 100. So h is equals to, if you transpose this square, then it will bring a square root sign towards right hand side. So what is the square root of 100? We all know it is 10 centimeter. So hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. So this is a solution of sum number 2. Okay. Thank you and take care all of you.